Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the factor of x to the power 4 plus 4 is equal to x to the power 4. We can write it as x square and whole square. This is x to the power 4 plus this 4. We can write it as 2 square is equal to, now applying formula, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. Applying this formula, this as a square plus this 2 as b square, we will get a plus b whole square, that means x square plus this 2 whole square minus 2 times ab, that means this 2 times this x square times this 2 is equal to this x square plus 2 and this square minus this 2 times 2, this is 4, and this x square is equal to this x square plus 2 and this square minus 4x square. It can be written as twice x whole square. This 2 square is 4 and this x square is equal to, again applying formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Applying this formula, consider this x square plus 2, this as a square minus this twice x as b and this square. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we will get this x square plus 2, this is a, plus b, that means this twice x, and a minus b, that means this x square plus 2, this as a, and minus b, that means this twice x is equal to, now rearranging this, we will get x square, this plus twice x and this 2, and rearranging it, we will get this x square minus this twice x and this plus 2, and this is the factor of x to the power 4 plus 4. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.